1971 Liberation War is a history for the younger generation of the country. They read books or heard from those who participated in the war. Grameenphone and Liberation War Museum have recently partnered and made a virtual museum where users got the access to tour through the MyGP app. This platform adds value to the youth who got to know the 71's war from generation to generation. MyGP Virtual Liberation War Museum is an initiative to preserve, document, and archive the glorious history of numerous disguised heroes like Veer Mukti Jodha, Shireen Banu,
who joined the Liberation War as a man with rifle.
Liberation hero Dr. Bir Shahid Intellectual Fajle Rabi, who gave his all for the sake of Bangladesh. Remarkably, that Morris Minor car used by him during the Liberation War remains a witness of the great age. To give the audience a memory flashback of 1971, a digital virtual banner in collaboration with Eskimi was launched which promoted throughout the local portals of Bangladesh. Clicking on the banner, the audience explored 360 experience of the virtual museum directly from their mobile device. Clicking the CTA button, viewers toured to the map experience inside MyGP app. Besides, digital platform, TVC more than 25 TV channels ensured high visibility across the country with newspaper presence. The interactive banner reached 15 million audience with 20 million impressions and more than 4 million views just within 2 weeks. It got 93,000 traffic to the virtual experience in MyGP app within just 5 days. The banner also had a 50% viewability score. With television we reached 64 million audience and print got 2 million reach. This virtual museum is not just a museum, it's an emotion, which was made possible by MyGP to tell the untold stories of 71.